crockery, crockery, crockery. She arranged the crockery neatly in the cabinet. Cup, cup, cup. She drank a cup of tea in the morning. Cutting board, cutting board, cutting board. She chopped the vegetables on a wooden cutting board. Dish drainer, dish drainer, dish drainer. She placed the washed dishes on the dish drainer. Dessert spoon, dessert spoon, dessert spoon. He used a dessert spoon to eat his ice cream. Dishwasher, dishwasher, dishwasher. She loaded the dirty plates into the dishwasher. Dish towel, dish towel, dish towel. She dried the plates with a dish towel. Dishwashing liquid, dishwashing liquid, dishwashing liquid. She poured some dishwashing liquid into the sink to wash the dishes. Fork, fork, fork. He picked up his fork to eat the pasta. Fryer, fryer, fryer. She used an air fryer to cook crispy French fries. Frying pan, frying pan, frying pan. She cooked eggs in a frying pan. Freezer, freezer, freezer. She stored the meat in the freezer to keep it fresh. Glass, glass, glass. She poured orange juice into a glass. Grill, grill, grill. He cooked the steak on the grill. grinder, grinder, grinder. She used a coffee grinder to grind fresh coffee beans. Ice tray, ice tray, ice tray. She filled the ice tray with water and put it in the freezer. Jar, jar, jar. She stored the homemade jam in a glass jar. Kitchen shears, kitchen shears, kitchen shears. She used kitchen shears to cut the chicken. Knife, knife, knife. He used a sharp knife to chop vegetables. Lid, lid, lid. She placed the lid on the pot to keep the soup warm. Lighter, lighter, lighter. He used a lighter to light the candles. Microwave, microwave, microwave. She heated her food in the microwave. Mixer, mixer, mixer. She used an electric mixer to beat the eggs. Mug, mug, mug. He drank coffee from his favorite mug. Oven, oven, oven. She baked a cake in the oven. Oven cloth, oven cloth, oven cloth. She used an oven cloth to take out the hot tray. Paper towel, paper towel, paper towel. He wiped the spill with a paper towel. Pot, pot, pot. She cooked soup in a large pot. pot holder, pot holder, pot holder. She grabbed the hot pot with a pot holder. Plate, plate, plate. She served the food on a white plate. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker, pressure cooker. She used a pressure cooker to cook beans faster. Rice cooker, rice cooker, rice cooker. She put the rice in the rice cooker and pressed the button. Refrigerator, refrigerator, refrigerator. She stored vegetables in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. Saucepan, saucepan, saucepan. She heated milk in a saucepan. Scale, scales, scales. She used kitchen scales to measure the flour. Scouring pad, scouring pad, scouring pad. She scrubbed the pan with a scouring pad.